Well, shit.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 115, effective until 2 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Johnson, and Odo. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned for NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 115 has been issued until 2 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Johnson, and Odo.
Hold on, wait a damn minute. There is no watch in here. The fuck? So where in the fuck did that watch come from, huh? Wait, what do we refresh? Nothing. No damn watch. What the fuck you talking about? I missed that because I had no idea that was gonna lead up to that. I knew there was gonna be some stuff happening because I did see this. I just don't like capturing alerts like this, but I have no other choice still. But yeah, hopefully we'll get those radios back soon. Fingers crossed. But yay. At this time too. Oh, there it is.
Broadcast radio and television outlets,
Never mind
or
then.
internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Shut up. It's not even up that loud, dude.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Philly, or 10 miles east of Beatrice, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Fucking.
Severe weather has been confirmed by. At 10:17 p.m., quarter-sized hail was reported in Beatrice. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Crab Orchard around 10:35 p.m. Sterling around 10:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage and Johnson.
And it was at 10:32, right when that other warning expired, right on the dot. Love to see it.
Number 115.
Missed this because I'm an idiot. Apparently there's another one I missed. See if we can try to find it. Damn, Damn, there's a lot of stuff going on in Michigan. This is it. Can't have shit in Detroit. Fremont, Iowa moment.
National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, western Page County in southwestern Iowa, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Riverton, or 14 miles east of Nebraska City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Farragut around 10:55 p.m. Shenandoah around 11 p.m. Essex around 11:05 p.m. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 1 and 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Fremont, and Page.
This WJON has been freaking busy, dude. And it's stuff in Michigan, and stuff in Illinois, and stuff I don't really freaking care about. Ooh, Republic, Kansas. What's that? That's a new one. Oh, that's an old one, actually. I'm gonna get that because this thing is a piece of shit. Who cares?
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, southern Saline County in southeastern Nebraska, western Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles southeast of Alexandria to near Jensen to 4 miles southeast of Harmine, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour
Got a new one.
gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public SoNet sites in southwest of Nebraska, gusted to 58 miles per hour.
Oh, damn.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Beatrice, Plymouth, and Aiken around 11:15 p.m. DeWitt, Western, Pickville, and Swanton around 11:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Jefferson, and Saline.
Okay, that's done. Quickly check.
Storms after midnight. Much cooler with lows around.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, here it is. We'll get it off here. It's fine. Well, once it's Oh, is that another one for Page? Oh, that was like, wait, what? Oh, Atchison. There's a lot of stuff that I can get here. Let's check Kansas City. Let's go ahead and do that.
With a temperature of 76.
No.
At Columbia.
Springfield?
Look for portions of the Missouri Ozarks.
I don't think it's gonna...
Scattered damaging wind risk and an isolated quarter-size hail risk will occur into the far southwestern portions.
Whatever. I don't know why it's still not letting me look at it for Washington. Wait, hang on, I have an idea. Oh. Well, there it is for Atchison. Here it is for Washington. Okay. what I've been trying. This is what I was trying to do earlier.
Indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Who cares?
Entries.
I think I know I went off for it.
Impacted include Washington, Hanover,
Yeah.
Moreville, Haddam, Maska, and Hollenberg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 Washington, Kansas.
I hate how it keeps cutting off like that. Let's quickly check when that was. Okay, it's nothing. Alright. Onto the Atchison one.
Storm warning for northern Atchison County in northwestern Missouri until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending.
Oh, it's kind of like when I got stuff off of B103. Huh. Interesting.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
Hail's already getting bigger.
Fort, Westboro, Watson, and Phelps City. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 111 and 123.
Stewie, where you hiding?
Move to an interior room on the
Shut up where you hiding.
building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Wednesday for the following county: Atchison, Missouri.
One of them's inspired now. I have recorded a lot of this shit. I'm just stop recording. Oh, okay. Something else just came up on the wire. That's oh, hey, something new for once. How about that?
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a flash flood warning for northern Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, western Nemaha County in southeastern Nebraska, south central Odo County in southeastern Nebraska until 2:15 a.m. At 11:16 p.m., trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
That fast, damn.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: trained spotters and radar detected heavy rainfall. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cook, Talmadge, Crab Orchard, St. Mary, and Vesta. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Damn, must be raining hard over there for it. If there's already an FFW already. That's like the quickest I've ever seen one get issued. Wow. And I just hope it doesn't escalate.
Johnson and Odo.
Shut up. This just missed the KH61 listening areas. I have to catch it up with this. It's this one. This one right here.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County and southwestern Iowa, Page County in southwestern Iowa until 12:15 a.m. At 11:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles northeast of Essex to 4 miles north of Coyne to 4 miles west of Blanchard, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms
Always have to
will be
double check.
near. Coyne and Blanchard around 11:30 p.m. Clarinda and College Springs around 11:35 p.m. Villisca and Shambaugh around 11:40 p.m. Bradyville around 11:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Iowa, Montgomery, and Page.
I always keep going back to this because every time sometimes I always have this, when I always click off of that, and if I go in here for too long, it won't go off immediately. And once I click back into here, then I'll hear multiple of that sound, like that sound multiple times, and then I'll end up missing a couple of alerts. So that's why I keep going back and forth into that. This laptop is a piece of shit.
It was cloudy, with a temperature of 67 at Omaha and 62 at Beatrice.
67!
Canceled.
Something's about to come up under the wire.
Thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2
There it is.
p.m. for southeastern Nebraska.
Cue the music because we just got a brand new number we just reached.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a flash flood warning for Central Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, West Central Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska until 3 a.m. At 11:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Beatrice, Philly, and Homestead National Historical Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Down a little bit.
Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Severe thunderstorm watch number 115.
I was in, the 2600s for like 5 months or so. About damn time it reached about time it reached the 2700.
Severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, northeastern Butler County, until 10:30 a.m. At 9:47 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Bellwood, or 7 miles north of David City, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Octavia around 9:50 a.m. Schuyler around 9:55 a.m. Linwood around 10 a.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler and Colfax. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Burt County, northwestern Washington County, until 11:30 a.m. At 10:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Yuling, or 11 miles southwest of Tekema, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by reported quarter-size hail 3 miles north of Winslow. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lake State Recreation Area and Pelican Point State Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Burt, and Washington. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Monona County, northern Harrison County, in southwestern Iowa until noon Central Daylight Time. At 10:52 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles north of Herman, or 4 miles south of Tekema, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The storm has a history of producing severe hail. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Dunlap, Mondamon, Ute, Pisgah, Moorhead, Soldier, Little Sioux, Preparation Canyon State Park, Shabin Park, Willow Lake Recreation Area, Little Sioux Scout Ranch, and Pelican Point State Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 89 and 99. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 p.m. for the following county: Harrison, Iowa. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11. Reported ping pong ball-sized hail 4 miles south of Pisgah at 11:15 a.m. Impact, people and animals outdoors will... The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, northern Shelby County in southwestern Iowa until 12:15 p.m. At 11:24 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Woodbine, or 21 miles northwest of Harlan, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball-size hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. Reported ping pong ball-size hail 4 miles south of Pisgah. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Woodbine, Erling, Irwin, Defiance, Mantino Recreation Area.
Is it the same city twice?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Harrison, and Shelby. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until noon Central Daylight Time for southeastern Monona and northeastern Harrison County. Storm Watch number 119, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Cass, Dodge, Douglas, Sarpy, Saunders, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa: Harrison, Mills, and Potawatomi. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 119 has been issued from 12:30 p.m. until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Cass, Dodge, Douglas, Sarpy, Saunders, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa: Harrison, Mills, and Potawatomi. Reported hail up to quarter size in York. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Staplehurst, B, and Ulysses. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler and Seward. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number...
Fuck off with that.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lancaster County and southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Seward County and southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Butler County, southwestern Saunders County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near B, or 8 miles north of Seward, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Shit.
Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Wahoo, Ceresco, Valparaiso, Meade, Weston, Dwight, B, Ithaca, and Lake Wayne Recreation Area. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning.
Whoa.
Seek shelter inside a well-built structure.
That's a new wording I never heard.
Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
Well,
has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward.
Well, I'm a bit of a pickle here, am I? Well, shit.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Washington County, southeastern Dodge County, northern Douglas County, northeastern Saunders County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:09 p.m.,
God damn.
a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northwest of Meade, or 4 miles northeast of Wahoo, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by reported severe hail with this storm near Valparaiso and Wahoo. Impact damage to vehicles is expected.
Whoa.
Locations impacted include northern Omaha, Blair, Bennington, Elkhorn, Valley, Utan, Fort Calhoun, Waterloo, Meade, Kennard, Lashara, Flanagan Lake, Standing Bear Lake, Washington, DeSoto Bend National Wildlife Refuge, and Lake Wayne Recreation Area. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Dodge, Douglas, Saunders, and Washington.
Oops. Who cares?
National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm.
I was trying to click the star. I don't know what I don't know what I was fucking doing. Whoops.